hapon na, you guys. I'm watching Jeffree Star and Nikki Tutorial's video. Yung they were getting ready sa car ni Jeffree. My gosh, Rolls Royce. As I mentioned hapon na, I'm gonna have my lunch. It's going to be a really late one. Late ako bumangon today. Maaga ako nagising pero late ako bumangon kasi sobrang lamig. And I was like, wala naman akong planong mag-film kasi today is edit day. And I'm wearing my Never Say Monday na pajamas. I know, it's Tuesday and sobrang layo pa ng Monday and I'm like, never say Monday. But, that's okay. I'm just gonna heat up my pasta. Ito yung ulam namin kagabi. Merong natirang konti. Perfect, diba? Para may makain ako ngayon. And I'm just gonna heat that up. Sobrang sarap nitong pastang to. I'm just not sure kung ano yung magiging resulta nito now na like second day na. We'll see. My very late lunch. You guys, this is so freaking good. Still watching Jeffree and Nikki. Try feeling close, Jeffree, Nikki. The pasta is really good. You guys, kahit na second day na, sobrang sarap pa rin niya. You guys should try it. Again, i-search nyo lang Bowtie Chicken Alfredo Pasta ng The Pioneer Woman. And makikita nyo. Yummer, sobra. It's raining. I'm not sure if you guys can see. But it looks really yellow because the sun is like setting somewhere there. Pero, yeah, it's raining a little bit. And then, that's the current situation outside. Hindi niyo makita yung rain kasi parang kakasimula lang niya. Siguro nakikita niyo sa table. I'm not sure if you can see it on the table na parang nagdi-drizzle yung, na parang may drizzle. But, look at the wind! The window! Oh my gosh. The wind. Hindi makakatakbo si Dan ito mamaya. Kasi umuulan. Magluluto ako ng munggo tonight. So, yung recipe na ipa-follow ko is yung from Panlasang Pinoy. So, I have the munggo right here. Nakita to ni Dan nung Sunday. Nakita niya dun sa pantry. And sabi niya, meron pa pala tayo nito. So, yeah. Hindi ko siya naalala. Nakalimutan ko siya. Ang tagal nito. Hindi naman sobrang tagal. Pero, siguro mga 2-3 weeks na to dun sa pantry. And then, I have here my shrimp na pinapaso ko kasi nasa freezer siya. And yeah, malapit na siya mag-thaw. Tapos lalagyan ko lang siya ng chicken. Yung nasa recipe is pork, pero yung ilalagay ko is chicken kasi wala kaming pork. And mas bad ko talaga yung chicken kaysa sa pork. Si Dan gusto niya ng pork, pero ako ma-chicken ako eh. Mamaya ko pa yan gagawin. Hintayin ko lang na sobrang ma-thaw yung shrimp. Tapos wala pa si Dan eh. Siguro in 20 minutes darating na yun. We'll see. I'm cooking the munggo right now. Malapit na siya maluto. Tapos yung sahog, luto na siya. So, I just have here chicken, tapos garlic. Chicken and then shrimp. And yeah, luto na yan. Pagkatapos nito, ilalagay ko lang siya doon. Tapos mix. And then yeah. Sana magustuhan niya. Kasi first time niya kakain ito. So, we'll see. It's done. That's the munggo with the shrimp, with chicken. The recipe that I followed is from Panlasang Pinoy, pero hindi ko na-follow lahat ng ingredients kasi nakalagay doon pork. But yeah, nilagyan ko ng spinach and yeah, hinihintay ko na lang na maluto yung aking rice. Tinikpan niya and he said he liked it. Loved it. Both.
It was good actually. No, it was good, babe.
Okay.
It was great.
Yeah, wala siyang rice. Me, I have rice.
Thanks, babe.
We will be baking this caramel mud cake. Dalhin namin to bukas sa dinner. So, yes, it should be simple. We need a round thing, and we don't have one. So he's like doing his measurements. Are you sure this is gonna be okay?
Yeah, I don't even have to see one. I don't even fill it all up. I'm going to put a couple of it in here as well.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Because I think it's going to rise. So I reckon we do maybe 1 or 2 of these, or 2 to 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna mix in the cake mix and then the oil and the eggs and yes. I need to make sure there's nothing left because you will eat it. What are you doing? Being all fancy and ish. This is the icing mix. This smells so really delish. I just need to add water sa icing. And then the last time we did this, parang it was kind of a fail. So we will read the instructions and make sure that everything is right. So that's the mix. Add lang ako ng 3 teaspoons of water. And then ilagay siya sa microwave for 20 seconds. Wow, okay. We'll see. Yung cake, oops, hello. Yung cake namin nasa loob na. Right there. Hahaha. The cupcake is ready. We'll just let it sit for like 10 minutes before namin kainin. And hindi ko pa ginawa yung icing kasi sabi niya mamaya na daw. Pagluto na daw ang cake. Kasi madali lang naman to. He's doing the icing this time. If this fails, this is not my fault. Looks like it's not gonna fail though because we're using less butter this time. So we'll see. It looks like that right now. You just need to mix it more. Mix it more. It smells so delish. Do you agree?
Nah.
No? You don't like it?
I can't smell.
This is the Italian cards we will play tonight. Last night we played Uno. That was fun. So we'll see. You have some... What did you write?
I'm writing the rules. What's the idea of the game?
The rules.
So they have a
Okay.
score.
Are you looking it up?
Yeah.
You do not know how it works?
No, do.
You're so guapo, babe. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hi guys! Today is, ano na ba ngayon? Wednesday! And katatapos ko lang i-film yung storytime video. Yes, yung love story namin. Film ko na siya sa wakas. Yes, yes, yes! I'm gonna have it up Saturday, I think. I forgot. Basta soon. Hindi ko alam kung itong vlog na to yung una yung makikita or yung video na yun. I do not know yet, pero yes, I did it finally. Sobrang dami kong break kasi parang naiiyak ako na hindi ko alam. And then, memory card full. So, maraming breaks. Pero hey, it's done. I did it. And I'm just so happy and relieved na as in, tapos na siya. Kasi yun yung video na sobrang nire-request nyo. So, sana magustuhan nyo. And yeah, na-transfer ko na lahat ng files sa computer ko. All I have to do is edit it and upload it. And yes! And I'm really liking this top, by the way. I was Snapchatting kanina kasi hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi nga, diba, ito yung ginamit ko mag-video. And then kapag transfer ko yung walang memory card. So like, yeah. Look at the cake we made last night. Hello, M-H-E. The N doesn't look like an M, but whatever.
I did the E, that's all.
He did the E. The E looks massive, like it's out of proportion.
Because the M is too small.
It smells so good though, I love it.
It does look good.
Yeah. We will go to his mom's house.
They'd just be nice to her because she looks after me.
Someone commented that
Yes.
on my video. Like, don't you think they're just nice to you because you're looking after him? He's fine. I don't need to look after him.
I look after her.
Really? Do you? No, you don't. You don't look after me enough.
Bullshit. I cook, I clean, I do the dishes, I iron.
No, me.
My top.
Your top.
Don't read.
He's wearing his pajamas. We're in Kmart. Maghahanap kami ng cleaning supplies because I'm gonna scrub the floor.
Do what you do.
The things I do for you.
Never enough.
Whatever. Hangers.
I know that's what we're gonna get.
Here.
It actually looks good on you.
Ooh. This is from the kids section, $1. It fits me. I didn't have to adjust it. It just fits me. There's more in here, you guys. This one is for $1. Which one?
This one's good. This one looks
Are you
good.
sure?
Yeah, this one looks good.
Are you sure? We're looking for something for me to scrub the floor. Or maybe I will just use what we have at home, babe, like these. It's a scrubber. We have a lot of these. I'm wearing the hat. $1. I'm gonna buy it. This is cool. It's a drink bottle blender. It's only $9. It was originally 15. It's on clearance now. Cosmetics. Ang mahal pa rin. Ooh, naka-sale yung ano nila. What? No, I didn't. I'm looking for the popo.
Maybe they don't have it.
No? I'm not sure if they will have it here. It's just like I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in a different separate section. Naka-sale ang kanilang mga XO whatever. I'm still wearing the hat. I still have the price tag in here. $1. How much is it originally? Can you look? You can see?
No, they've got.
Oh, it's oops. We're watching Shark Tank right now. $5 originally. So this is for 7 to 10 babe. I think the size is 7 to 10 and it fits me perfectly and it was only $1. I straightened my hair, by the way, using that cool hair straightener.
$3.
Oh, it was originally $3. I straightened my hair using that hair straightener that I featured on my previous vlog, the one from GearBest. And yeah, my hair is straight and I like it. Do you like my hair?
Yeah, that's nice, babe.
Anyway, I'm gonna close my vlog because it's Wednesday. Oops. Yeah. See? Ganda ng buhok ko, diba? Anyway, I will close my vlog. We will watch this. I will wash my face. I will edit a video. And that's basically it for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night, guys. Good night, babe.
Good night, girls.
Good night. Bye. Good night, girls and boys.
Good night, girls.